In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stay safe on Discord. First, lock down your account, open user settings, then go to password and authentication and turn on two-factor authentication with an authenticator app. This adds a time-based code on top of your password, so even if someone guesses or steals your password, they still can't get in. When you enable it, Discord will give you backup codes. Save those somewhere offline and secure. While you're there, make sure your password is strong and unique. Don't reuse the same password you use for email or social media. A password manager can generate long, random passwords and remember them for you, which makes staying secure much easier. Next, watch out for common scams. Messages promising free Nitro or a game I made are classic traps designed to steal your login token. Treat links in direct messages as suspicious, even if they come from a friend's account. It might be compromised. Also, be wary of fake staff. Real Discord employees have a system badge on their profile, and legitimate staff will not direct message you first. If someone claims to be staff and asks for codes, passwords, or tokens, ignore and report them. Tighten your privacy settings. In user settings, open privacy and safety and turn on Keep Me Safe to filter direct messages with explicit content. In server settings, disable the option that allows direct messages from server members you don't know. For friend requests, limit them to friends of friends or disable them entirely if you want a quieter, more controlled experience. Regularly review what has access to your account. Under authorized apps, remove anything you don't recognize or no longer use. In connected accounts, disconnect any unknown links to services like Steam or Twitch to prevent unnecessary data sharing. Be selective about where you hang out and which bots you trust. Join reputable servers, not ones dangling free Nitro, crypto giveaways, or verification that asks you to log in outside Discord. Only give admin permissions to bots you fully trust and never provide any bot with your email, password, or token. If someone breaks the rules or harasses you, report and block them. Enable developer mode in user settings under advanced, then right-click the offending message and choose report. You can block a user from their profile, which stops their DMs and friend requests. Finally, keep your device clean. Download Discord only from discord.com or your official app store. If you clicked a suspicious link, change your password immediately, log out of all devices and run a full antivirus scan. Stay safe and take a minute today to apply these protections. Your future self will thank you.